sine inverse of x, find dy dx. When you are given a problem like this to solve, how can you do it? Now, solution. Just look the way I'm going to solve it. I'm going to be writing each step I take to solve the solution, please. So solution, if y is equal to sine inverse of x. I believe everyone knows, so if y is equal to sine inverse of x. So I believe everyone knows about law of indices, reciprocal law. When you have something like this, a raised to power minus 2, that is going to be what? Minus is going to change what? 1 over a raised to power 2. I believe you know that. So I'm going to apply this method to this place. Please take note. So I'm going to have something like this. Y is equal to 1 over sine multiplied by x. So if you have something like this, so the next thing you do what? So that is going to be s times 1, you have what? Y is equal to what? S over sine. So what are you going to do? You cross multiply. And when you cross multiply, you have something like this. Sine y is equal to x. Are you listening? Let me write it. Cross multiply. So now you cross multiply. You have something like this. What are you going to do? You differentiate both y. You differentiate the both of the side. What I mean by that? Differentiate the both sides with respect to x. If you differentiate both sides with respect to x, now you are going to have sine y is equal to x. If you differentiate sine y, you are going to have what? Please take note. If you differentiate sine y, you have cos. If you differentiate sine y, you have cos y dy dx is equal to, if you differentiate x, you have what? 1. Are you with me? So now, you have cos y dy over dx is equal to 1. So what are we looking for? Dy over dx. So if I should make my dy over dx as subject of formula, I'm going to have something like this. Dy over dx is equal to 1 over cos y. Is that also? Now, don't forget the Pythagoras theorem, which says you have something like this. So we have dy over dx is equal to 1 over cos y. Now, using Pythagoras identities, you have sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Okay? Yeah, everyone knows that one. So now, sine squared theta plus squared theta is equal to 1. And I'm having y as theta. So in order for you to understand this, I'm going to make it as sine square y plus cos square y is equal to 1. I believe you understand. So now, if you make cos square y, what are you looking for? Cos y. But if you make cos square y subject of formula, you are going to have something like this. 1 minus sine square y. I believe you know how we do this. So you take this is plus, when you take it to this side, you are going to have what? Minus. But I'm looking for cos y. What am I having here? Cos square y. So what are you going to do? I take the square root, sorry. If I take the square root, I'm going to have cos y is equal to square root of 1 minus sine square y. Is that also? But take note, don't forget that, note that sine y is equal to x. So if sine y is equal to x, so what am I going to have here? So therefore sine square y is going to be what? X squared. Is that also? So you can now say that dy over dx is equal to what? 1 over, what is cos y? Cos y is known as what? 1 over square root of 1 minus sine square y. But we said sine square y is known as what? S squared. So your final answer is going to be 1 over square root of 1 minus a squared. So that is your final answer. So please, I want you to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.